Hello, first grade. You just caught me eating my lunch, one of my favorites, alphabet soup. And I was thinking about you guys because I have heard that you are alphabet experts, that you know all of your letters and that you have really nice and neat handwriting. And that got me thinking of an idea for an art project. I thought that we could create our own alphabet soup.
For this project, we're focusing on our capital letters. We're going to use oil pastels, and you can pick out whatever colors you would like. Try to get a good variety. And I like to just start by going in order. I write A, B, C. Next one I'm going to write is D. And every time I write a letter, I turn my paper a little bit because when you look at soup, it's never really perfectly in order and all facing the right side. So turn your paper until you get all those letters of the alphabet, and then you probably have room for more, so you can hide your name or your spelling words in there.
So to make our alphabet soup, here's the ingredients. I'm going to pour in a little bit of yellow paint, a little bit more, a little bit of orange paint, and a little bit of water. So I will make the broth for your soup, but you get to stir it up with your paintbrush and you get to add it on top of your oil pastel letters. So here I'm gonna go, painting on top right over my alphabet until you have painted the whole circle. Now if you get a little bit outside the lines, that's okay, because we're going to be cutting these out after they dry. Okay, so there's my soup.
Next up, we're going to make a placemat to set our soup. You're going to choose 3 colors of markers, and we're going to start by drawing horizontal lines. So those are the long lines going all the way across the page. When you get to the circle, you need to jump over it. No lines inside the circle. Next up, we're going to be drawing vertical lines. These are the up and down lines. Again, jump over that circle. The last step to our placemat is you get to brush water over top of your lines, the horizontal and vertical, to make it look more paint-like. Now we need to make a spoon to eat the soup with. So we're going to trace around this stencil of a spoon, and once you have it traced, you're going to go ahead and cut it out. We are also going to cut out the circle around your alphabet soup.
The last step is to set the table. This was one of my favorite jobs when I was a kid. So we have our placemat, our plaid placemat with all of those vertical and horizontal stripes. And first we need to put a napkin at our plate. And that's going to go right beside our plate. Next up we have our spoon. That gets to go on top of the napkin. Like this. And then the last step is to serve our alphabet soup. Try to place your soup right in the center. there's our place setting.
These projects are going to look so good, I could eat them all up.